All right, guys. It's currently 9:43 a.m. on Monday morning, and we're gonna go through all the currencies and see what we have. I don't have a bias yet, but I'm gonna see if we have more bearish confluences or bullish confluences. So first things first, I'm already seeing more bearish confluences just off of candle range theory. We have a reversal candlestick pattern, 2 a.m. reversed. So 2 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 10 o'clock should continue to the downside. So that's number one. That's my first bearish bias confluence, right? And if we take a look at this high, right? This is Monday, July 27th, the 2 a.m. to 6 a.m. high, right? It did not get taken out on NQ, so let me just mark that off. Boom. We didn't take that out on NQ, but on ES, we took it out. So let me mark that off, right? So this is what? A 4-hour SMT. Dow Jones, we took that out over here. So I don't even have to mark that off. What is this? The Wednesday, July 28th high? Let me look back. Wednesday, July 28th high, 10 o'clock. Well, we took that out already. But we do have a 4-hour SMT right here. Boom. Now, Friday, July 31st. Oh, we have another SMT right here too. The Friday, July 31st high got taken out. The Friday, July 1st high got taken out. The Wednesday, July 22nd high got taken out, which is a huge SMT. Oh my cow, look at that. Boom. The Wednesday, July 22nd high at 10 o'clock on NQ did not get taken out. But the Wednesday, July 22nd high on ES got taken out. The Wednesday, July 22nd high on Dow Jones got taken out. So we're bearish, bro. I don't care what anybody says. We are bearish, right? So I am looking for sells. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna mark out my 10 o'clock opening right here. What I want to see is some accumulation, right? We're gonna have a candlestick open up at 10 o'clock, and I want to see some accumulation above the opening. I mean, some manipulation above the opening and distribution down, right? So I'm looking for sells for today. Do we have anything on the 15-minute? Do we have anything on the 15-minute? Just some low resistance liquidity. So I need an SMT here as well. I need an SMT on every time frame, the 4-hour, the 15-minute, and the 1 minute. But if we don't get it on the 15-minute, but we get it on the 1 minute, I'll take it. All right. So yeah, guys, I'll post the video here, and then when 10 o'clock happens, I'll give you guys an update. All right, guys. 10 o'clock opened up. We opened up bearish. This looks like accumulation right here. This looks like manipulation right here. This may be distribution. So in this sort of situation, what I would do is I would wait for some sort of confluence, right? Like this, there's a CISD down here. However, if I take that, my stop loss is going to be up here, so that's going to be too rich. What I want is another SMT, another freaking SMT on the 1 minute time frame. If I can get an SMT, oh shit. Wait a minute. I like this. What is this? 902 highs. Dow Jones just took out 902 highs. Oh wait, but they already got taken out on NQ. Yeah, they were down here. Let me see something. What is this? These are the 3 o'clock highs. 3 o'clock highs. That's the highest that NASDAQ took out on a 15-minute. 3 o'clock highs got taken out there on NQ. And I'm assuming Dow Jones took out those 3 o'clock highs as well. It would only make sense. Yeah. So there is a SMT right here. Oh, fuck. Wait. There's a woman SMT right here. And I just missed it. There's a 1 minute SMT right here. Holy shit. All right. Um, these 959 highs did not get taken out by NQ, but they got taken out by ES. And they got taken out by Dow Jones. So that is a SMT right there. I'm not going to enter now. I'm going to be patient. We have an order block right here. I can set my limit order in the midpoint of it. Wait. This is not a valid order block though. This is not a valid order block because it didn't sweep any liquidity. ES looks like it has a valid order block. This is the problem, bro. This is the freaking problem right here. Is there a fair value? Okay, there's a fair value gap. I could take the fair value gap. Gonna sell. No. Okay. Boom. Right here. Wait, what am I on? Oh, MNQ. Okay. So we could put our stop loss up here. Boom. And I'll take profit now. And the reason why I'm putting my stop loss up here, guys, is because this. Oh, the fair value got disrespected. Interesting. That should not have happened. That should not have happened. But yeah, so I'm anticipating that this is gonna be the distribution leg because this looks like the manipulation leg, and we are bearish. We did get a 1 minute SMT and a 4 hour SMT. We're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna get stopped out. Yeah, probably gonna get stopped out because this fair value gap should have held. I don't know why it did not. Like we should be capitulating to the downside, but my take profit would have been all the way down here. Yeah, I'm not liking this at all. Not liking this at all. Don't know how this fair value gap did not hold. Okay. Anyways, this is 43 points. Ultimate take profit down here. Let me see the standard deviation level. Standard deviation level is telling me, boom. Oh, perfect. And it aligns, the first point aligns perfectly with the, well, not perfectly, but it aligns with the liquidity down here. Oh, we're in profit. Oh, we were in profit. Yeah, guys. So I mean, this trade should work out. There's no reason why it should not. Why the fuck is it accumulating again? Why is there reaccumulation? Why is there reaccumulation? Can somebody tell me why there's reaccumulation? That doesn't make any sense. This was the accumulation here. We manipulated to the upside, got the 4 hour SMT. Now we should be going down. Now we should be going down. Oh, but there was news today, right? There was news at 10 o'clock. Yeah, there was news at 10. There was ISM manufacturing news at 10 o'clock. But that was like just a little volatility injection into the market. So. This looks like we got a change in state of delivery on ES. We didn't get one on Dow Jones yet, though. But we got one on ES. We got one on NQ as well. These lows got broken with this candle. So this is a TISD to the downside right here. So we should fall out the sky soon. Definitely should fall out the sky soon. Or not. Yep, there goes my stop loss. Oh, what the fuck? Why did it put... Whoa. Why did it put... Oh, I put the wrong type of order. I put the wrong type of freaking order in. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm going to see if we get a better re-entry for the sell. A better SMT. Because I know for a fact we are bearish for today. There's no way in hell that we are bullish. There's no way. Oh, wait. Let me actually take a look. Hold on. All right, so let me pause the video here, guys, and I'll be right back. Guys, I don't know what the fuck I was smoking, but we might actually be bullish for today. The way that this candle, this 6 o'clock candle, I don't know how. When I recorded this video, this candlestick was literally down here, right? And I was anticipating that's going to be a continuation. I don't know what slipped my mind. I don't know what I didn't look at. I don't know why I didn't come back to the 4-hour time frame. But this is a reversal candlestick, a reversal bullish candlestick. NQ, I mean ES, same thing. Dow Jones is ripping it. We're bullish today. Oh my gosh, what is my issue, bro? No freaking way. So, I mean, tapped into the daily gap opening. Oh my gosh, bro. This is why it's so important to stay like focused and really. Yep. There was a bullish SMT right here. Tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap at 9:55 on NQ. ES didn't. This was my entry to the upside right here. All right. Well, I mean, if we are bullish, we should respect bullish confluences. So we have an order block here. And I'm going to actually enter off of this. Boom. Stop loss. Hold on 1 second, guys. Hello? Yeah. Okay. All right. So we have a 1-minute bullish order block right here. Stop loss going right below that. So stop. Boom. Right here. Let me see how much this would be. Create limit order. That's 86. $86. Okay, so yeah, stop loss is definitely going right here. Back into the 5-minute fair value gap that we tapped into. And Josh, I don't know how I didn't see that we were bullish today, bro. I really did not. I really, really, really did not know. Didn't see. That is crazy. That is actually crazy. Okay, so the manipulation leg that tapped into this fair value gap is right here. So our take profit is going to be up here. The 2 standard deviation level. Yeah. I'm not even gonna hold it for too long, bro, because we already took a L, and there is liquidity to the left, but the standard deviation manipulation leg that tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap is only about what, maybe 10 points. So I'll take profit. We'll be right on that -2 mark. I'll put my stop loss to break even once we hit the -1, the -1 level. And yeah, let's see this 4-hour candle. Look at this candle, bro. I don't know how I didn't see that we were bullish, bro. I really don't. But yeah, guys, we are definitely bullish today. So I'll come back when I have an update. I'll post a video here. All right, so just a little update. We're up a little bit more now. I noticed that we have these 1-hour highs up here on NQ, the Sunday, August 2nd, 2200 highs, right? That we did not take out yet. But on ES, the August 2nd, 2200 highs, we already took out. And on Dow Jones, we took them out down here. So I believe that we're gonna go higher than that. So I think that it is probable to keep our take profit at the -2 level. Yeah, and that aligns with these July 27th highs up here. So yeah, we'll see. I'm not really worried about the money. I'm more so trying to focus on the skill and build up the confidence with this strategy. But I don't know how I didn't see that we were bullish, guys. I don't know how I did not see that we were bullish. This is insane, bro. This is insane. So yeah, I mean, these highs look promising. These highs look promising as well too. I might take profit there. I'm not gonna lie. But then the NQ is going to 2200 on July 15th. July 15th, 2200. July 15th, 2200. July 15th is all the way up here. Wow, major, major, major. Yeah, guys, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how this trade looks. I'm gonna pause it here and I'll come back with an update. All right, guys, I'm gonna be real. I closed profit between the 1 and the 2 standard deviation level at these 4-hour highs right here. I mean, I didn't really care for looking for that high risk reward trade. I rather accuracy because I'm on a prop firm. So yeah. Nevertheless, this is a 1 to 3 trade. Nice. 1 to 3 trade. Simple, simple, simple. I don't know how. That first loss, guys, should not have happened. It should not have happened at all. It was completely my fault. I just thought that the candle, when I was reviewing the footage, I gotta look back at it because when I was reviewing the footage, this 4-hour candle was all the way down here. I don't know what I don't know what I was looking at. I seen a candlestick that was continuing to the downside. So I was like, you know what, we're gonna go bearish today. But that loss should not have happened. That loss should not have happened. But yeah, I mean, it's probably still gonna go to the 2 level, but I'm good with 250. So yeah, guys. I mean, I'm gonna end it off here. See you guys in the next one. Peace. And make sure you watch your candlesticks properly so you don't take unnecessary losses like I did.